Welcome back to my channel. This is part 5 to my Crochet for Absolute Beginner series, and in this video I will be showing you how to do a treble crochet. And let's get straight into the video. I will be using 4mm red acrylic yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. So when making a treble crochet, you are going to be inserting your hook into the 5th chain from the hook. So you're going to be skipping the first 4 chains. This is the first chain, the second, third, 4th, and you'll be inserting your hook into the 5th chain right over here. So when making a treble crochet, you yarn over twice, so 1 and 2. And insert the hook into the 5th chain from the hook. So you insert the hook, and when you insert it, you should have 4 loops on your hook. You then yarn over and pull the hook through the chain, and you should again have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops, and you should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that is your first treble crochet finished. So we're just going to do that a few more times. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next chain. You should have 4 loops. Now yarn over and pull through. You should still have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. So you basically just keep on pulling through 2 loops until you have 1 loop left. And that's your second treble crochet finished. So let's just do this one more time. So you yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 for the last time. And that's your third treble crochet finished. This is the end to my video, and thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.